Hello, have you been wondering how to develop your advanced Excel skills? Today in this video, we are discussing about a very interesting course that we offer here at Corporate Staffing Services, that is the Advanced Excel, and how you can be able to hone your skills in that area. I am joined by one of our career advisors who will be shedding more light in this topic. Thank you, Noella, for joining in.
Thank you, Mary, for having me.
Great. We're talking about advanced Excel skills, and I'm so excited because I know it's one of the skills that is very necessary for every professional to have or to acquire. Now, with regards to this Excel skill, what are some of the in-demand or valuable Excel skills in today's job market?
There are several skills that are highly in demand and valued in the job market currently, and these skills are highly valued across a wide range of industries like finance and accounting, data analysis, also project management and more. And demonstrating knowledge in these skills really makes you stand out in the job market. And for example, a skill like data analysis and visualization. So proficiency in utilizing advanced Excel functions like VLOOKUP and pivot tables enables you to efficiently and effectively analyze and manipulate large data sets. Yes.
Great. Now, in order to systematically be able to develop my capabilities in the space of advanced Excel, could you please shed more light on the steps that perhaps I need to follow as a professional?
There are so many steps that you can follow, but I'm just going to share the three main steps. And the first step is to, first of all, assess your current Excel skills. You can do this by identifying your weaknesses and strengths, and can do, say, a self-evaluation and note it down. And then the next step is now to create a learning plan. And in this learning plan, you can outline the various skills, Excel skills that you would like to acquire or improve on, and then lastly obtain Excel certifications and credentials. And this is by signing up for an advanced Excel training. And the exciting news is that we do offer that training here at Corporate Staffing Services, whereby you will be able to cover every skill that you feel you are yet to acquire and also improve your skills. And then you are given a certificate afterwards to prove that you have actually obtained those skills.
Tell me more about the advanced Excel course that we offer here at Corporate Staffing.
Okay, so we do offer the advanced Excel training for 2 weeks. It runs for 2 weeks, only during the weekdays. So during this training, you are taken through data analysis reports with pivot tables and pivot charts, also financial modeling and financial analysis, manipulation of dates, data presentation with charts. Those are just among the few modules that will be covered in the advanced Excel training. And then after the training, you are given a certificate which is NITA approved to prove that you have actually attended the training. And then after the training, we normally host a networking event, so you'll be able to network with professionals from various fields. Yes.
I know one of the questions that you might have encountered when engaging for this course is it doable online? Because I know all our courses, most of them are delivered online.
Yes, I have encountered this question so many times, but what I can say is actually the experience that you gain from a physical class is actually the same as the online class, because it's an interactive session with our trainer. So the trainer is present, he takes you through his presentations, and there is room for asking questions and raising any concerns, and he's actually able to address them immediately. He gives you assignments and you are able to present to the whole class. So this is very valuable because he is able to pinpoint what you have done wrong and just and also learn from the rest. Yeah.
Great. Quite a lot when it comes to advanced Excel. And I like the insights that you've shared. I do believe that we'll have people considering honing their skills in this area. Right. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you so much, Mary, for having me.
Great. Advanced Excel is one of the key in-demand skills in the professional space currently, and we encourage every professional to try and hone their skills in this area because it comes in handy. Whether you are the head of department, you are in charge of a team, you do your reports via Excel, and it is important to just ensure that you know how to navigate the entire Excel process. We look forward to seeing you signing up for our upcoming Advanced Excel training. And as Noella has mentioned, there's quite a lot that we get to cover during that course, and the beauty is also you get to network with other professionals from different industries. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.